Press the photo button to take a picture. Press the video button to start recording. Select an image and press the AI recognition button to start. Press the power button once to turn off the screen. Press it again to wake the device. For accurate recognition, keep the subject occupying more than 5% of the frame and ensure it is unobstructed. For typical birds, capture them within 25 meters. The following are examples that can be successfully recognized, and the following are examples that will fail to be recognized.